MetaTrader is the leading platform in technical analysis tools in the world. Because this platform is so popular, most developers create indicators and expert advices with this platform in mind. What's more, MetaQuotes has added the Meta Editor to every download of MetaTrader 4 or 5 so that anyone who's interested would be able to create their own custom programs. This has made it easier to use most custom programs within the platform successfully. However, do keep in mind that each program is different and may not work in MetaTrader after all. The path taken to install an EA or an indicator relies on the machine MetaTrader is running from. The easiest way to install custom programs is as follows. Go to Charts in the ribbon on the top left side of your platform. Click on Templates and select Load Template. This is just for you to see the path your system takes to the program files. Copy the address onto your clipboard. Put the address in your Windows Explorer. Click on MQL5, then Indicators, then Examples. Copy your indicator and paste it here. Now close your platform down and restart it. Click on Insert in the ribbon on the top left side of your platform. Click on Indicators. Your custom indicator should show up in that list.